video, I am going to tell about how to sort the items present inside the list. Okay, so first of all, I have to declare the list items, then I sort it. Okay, so let's begin. First, I declare the list items 1, comma 2, comma 6, comma 4, comma 8. Okay, so L dot sort. After sort, then print L. Okay, and when it is going to be run the code, it will return you in the sort form. Okay, in the sorting form. So this is for the default sorting. So this is the numerical form. I will show you on string form. Apple, pineapple, mango, orange, banana. Okay, now L dot sort, then print L. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, the numerical sorting is covered, then next string sorting. And when it is going to be string sorting, the alphabetical means the chronological order comes from the beginning letter of each and every string. Suppose there is a apple, pineapple, mango, orange and banana. These particular fruit items names are present inside the list. When I am going to display all the list items in sorting form, then it will shows first apple, the first character which will be A, then banana, the first character which will be B, then next uh, mango, then orange, 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 O, then P. Okay, pineapple. In this way, the list items are going to be sorted and it display on the console. Further, if I want to display the items present inside the list in descending order, so these are only display by default ascending order. I want to display in descending order. How it is going to be work and what I need or I changes inside the syntax. So let's see. So first of all, I changes here reverse true. Okay, reverse true, then it display you in the sorting, in the descending order sorting. So 8 6 5 4 2 1 is the descending order of numerical values. Then next reverse true. Okay, then it shows you reverse order pineapple, then orange, then mango, banana, apple. So this is the reverse order going to be displayed. So this is the reverse order of sorting, that is a descending order. So now I feel that you understand better and you can start your examples or you can take your own examples and test it. So further, if you have any doubt, please go through the comment box is in this video, and please like and share this video and click on the subscribe and bell icon when I am going to upload any future